Good morning, my prepper posse. Yep, I got the spill valve for the waterfall and the liner, and I've still been digging. It's a really thick, nice liner, really nice. So I'll be working on this weekend. I gotta get a couple of rooms ready for Friday, and I'm renting, and then after that I'll play with this. It's getting deep. I had to get some cones around it. Thank you, Tom. It'll be nice, and I'll show you as I go. I'm not going to leave you out of it. I was just showing you that you can do 2 different types or more. I mean, I haven't decided yet how I want to do the waterfall, but this will be pondless. I'm not doing a pond because code-wise you can't have water sitting around for maybe a baby to fall in. So I'm going to make sure that the hole will be covered up and the water will, it'll disappear. You won't see it. That's really all I've got for you. I'm just busy working it and looking forward, looking ahead. Oh, I hope everybody enjoys their day. Get out there and play. See you.